Marshall, did he come?
Is that Easter Bunny stuff?
That's Easter Bunny stuff.
He
It's time.
He came.
Oh, look at Mama.
Oh my goodness.
I got two.
Wow.
Hey, Mimi, Easter Bunny just come.
He
Give
came.
me your toys.
Yeah.
Another one. I got pink.
Whoa.
What's in there? Oh, Ducky, I found this Ducky. What is this?
That's it.
It's like
It's a marshmallow.
thing.
You can eat it. It's a marshmallow.
Oh, there's candy out here.
Oh, you're kidding me.
I'm gonna eat it.
Okay. Wait, you gotta look over here. Look over here. Come see all this. Look right there. What's that? Right there.
But
What's that?
that's my candies. Those are both of my candies. Those are both of my candies. Mommy, you want one?
No thanks.
You want one?
No, not right now. Put him
Good morning, Caleb.
have him later.
Where's your Easter basket?
It's too early.
Where's my Easter basket?
Where did the Easter Bunny put it? He hid it.
Oh, there's another button below.
Oh my goodness. Look at all the stuff he brought.
I'll show you. Gotta find your Easter basket.
Find it.
Hey, Marshall,
You gotta look.
look at these special eggs over here. Look at those. Open those up and see what's in those. Those are the special
Ooh, those are
ones.
ones. What are those?
I'll put
Put it
my
right here.
little ones.
Okay, put it down.
Something for all of
Huh?
Oh, my candy! I'm gonna eat it. My candy.
What was it? Jelly beans?
Yeah, Easter Bunny baby jelly beans.
No.
I
One
like
at a time.
jelly beans one. Oh, this more jelly beans is here.
No.
What's in there?
Come here, I'll show you.
What's in there?
It's chocolate.
Can I eat it?
Yeah. Let me open it for you.
Mom, what is that?
Chocolate.
It's no peanut and that chocolate.
Mm-mm.
Muscle can have it.
Eat it.
I already add to that.
Marshall, come look at these ones here.
Open one. Those were eggs on them. I can't open them.
Ooh, what's in that?
Oh, there's money in there.
It's money. Oh, what did he do to your check? Marshall.
Oh, I gotta save this for the Easter Bunny.
Oh, yeah? Did he bring that for you? Marshall, what's over there?
Dude, I'm filming you, filming me.
Marshall, what's over there? What's over there?
What's over by the chair?
What's over there? Marshall, look over there. What is that, Marsh?
It's toys. It's toys.
Oh my goodness, is that your basket?
Mommy, there's toys in here.
Oh my goodness.
I want. Oh, there's pets in here.
Hey Marsh, look at, say Happy Easter, everybody. Look, say Happy Easter, everybody.
I want to see.
No, we gotta look in this way. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, Bunny.